Imagine a world of complete silence, with not a single soul or vast fields containing vibrantly coloured plants in sight, and the only place where any life existed was in the deepest, darkest depths of the ocean. This is exactly what the world was like during the Terreneuvian epoch, which occurred 541 million years ago, when complex life was just beginning to evolve. Now, before we travel back in time, let's delve into the wonders of our world today, in the Holocene epoch and Megalane age. Currently, the Earth is in the Quaternary period of the Cenozoic era and Phanerozoic eon, in which the period began about 2.58 million years ago. The Earth is full of many interesting geological features that have been accumulated since the Earth first came into existence, such as the sediment deposits of Mao Tian Shan Shale with origins identified to be from early Cambrian. Since the Earth's geological and biological factors have evolved differently around the world, China has been examined to better understand some of these evolutionary changes. China is currently located in the Northern Hemisphere, where it is attached to Asia and resides on the Eurasian plate. This plate is the third source plate and is currently moving north and has been for the past 541 million years. As a result, the climate has changed dramatically since the Cambrian. Presently, China has various climate zones consisting of humid subtropics, hot deserts such as the Taklamakan Desert, and cold deserts like the Gobi Desert. There are also some areas that can expect up to 80 inches of rain during seasons of drought and cyclones. These differing climates provide habitats to an abundance of rare animals and plant species such as the giant panda and the Chinese cypress, to name a few. However, the Earth didn't always contain this biota that we are all used to seeing. About 541 million years ago, the Earth was only just beginning to evolve simple cellular organisms to multicellular organisms. This particular time of the Earth's existence is referred to as the Cambrian period, in which the beginning of this period is further defined as the Terreneuvian epoch. The Cambrian is a part of the Phanerozoic eon and Paleozoic era. During this time, life on Earth consisted primarily of marine species, where terrestrial soils had yet to evolve to support plant life. Many fossils have been found in Yunnan, a province of China, as this area was underwater. The species Halcyonelids, Hyolitha, Trilobites, and Archaeocyatha compose the majority of the marine species of early Cambrian, with annelids such as Polychaeta, brachiopods, and hemichordates composing the remainder of the species. However, there are 19% of fossils found that have been unidentifiable. Some of these species, such as the Halcyonelids, annelids, and some chordate-like species, are believed to be the primitive ancestors of modern-day mollusks, Polychaeta and fish respectively. And amazingly, fossilized animal burrows have been discovered which resemble the burrows of worms today. This means that worms or worm-like animals have been around for more than 500 million years. Already, we can see crazy differences between the two epochs, but there are also many similarities. What exactly caused these changes, you may ask? Well, it is uncertain for the exact cause, but many factors have been explored. Firstly, the release of methane gas through separating and connecting of tectonic plates to other land masses ultimately increased global temperatures to 22. The Cambrian was a lot warmer than today's average global temperature of 14. Also, as the Earth was in an ice age period before the Cambrian, the melting of ice glaciers rapidly increased the temperature as additional methane gas was released. Secondly, the warmer temperatures are believed to have facilitated the ability of simple organisms on the seafloor to burrow through a mat of microbial layer. These organisms mixed the layers of sediments underneath and ultimately released oxygen into the biosphere. This was very important because previously, nutrients in the soils were trapped underneath, which prevented the existence and productivity of many species, as oxygen is a vital part of life. Lastly, as a result, the Earth's temperature began to rise as more species began to evolve. This also caused a rise in sea levels and process of erosion to accelerate. Therefore, as a result, many of the sediments on land containing calcium, such as limestone and dolomite, were released into the ocean, leading to the evolution of hard exoskeletons. These exoskeletons are seen on many species today, such as snails and clams. It can be agreed that the world today would not have been the same without these events that occurred 541 million years ago, during the Cambrian period.